what are you playing? Do you have the Weehawks? Do you have the Weehawks? Yes, you do.